Find your way around YouTube. Signed in. How you experience YouTube depends a lot on whether you're signed into your Google account. Learn more about using your Google account for YouTube. If you're signed in, you'll see your profile picture for your Google account in the top right corner of the YouTube app or browser window. The info in this article is most relevant to users that are signed in. Computer, Android, iPhone and iPad. Home. If you're new to YouTube or haven't signed in yet, the home page will show you the most popular videos on YouTube. Once you sign in and start watching videos, the home page will show you recommended videos based on your preferences and activity on YouTube. Learn more about managing your recommendations. As you explore, you can always click the YouTube logo in the top left corner to return to the home page. Search. The search bar helps you find the videos you want to watch on YouTube. Enter what you're searching for and then filter the results by videos, channels, or playlists. Your preferences and activity on YouTube will influence search results. Learn more about managing your search results. Guide. Open the guide to explore features like Home, Explore, Subscriptions, Library, History, Your Videos, Your Movies, Watch Later, Liked Videos, More from YouTube, Settings, Report History, Help, Send Feedback, Explore. Explore helps you discover videos that are popular on YouTube right now. You can scroll through a list of trending videos or select a category, such as music, to find trending videos on that subject. Learn more about trending videos on YouTube. Subscriptions. Your subscriptions feed shows you the newest videos from only the channels you're subscribed to. Clicking the channel artwork will take you directly to that channel. Learn more about subscribing to channels. Library. The library page is where you can find info like history, watch later, playlists, and liked videos. Learn more about managing your library. History. History shows you a list of the videos you've previously watched on YouTube. You can also view and manage your watch history, search history, comments, and more. Learn how to manage your watch history and search history. Your videos. Videos you've uploaded, which includes public, private, and unlisted videos, can be found under your videos. Learn more about how to upload videos. Your movies. Videos you've purchased can be found under your movies. Learn more about how to purchase videos. Watch Later. Watch Later shows you a playlist of the videos you've saved by clicking Watch Later. Learn how to manage your Watch Later playlist. Liked videos. Liked videos is where you can find a list of all the videos you've liked by clicking a video's like button. Learn more about liking and disliking videos. More from YouTube. The More from YouTube section has links to other YouTube products and features, such as YouTube Premium, movies and shows, gaming, live, fashion and beauty, and learning. Cast. If you have a Chromecast, smart TV, or a supported streaming device, you can connect your YouTube app using the Cast button. Learn how to connect devices to watch YouTube on TV. Create. Click Create in the top right corner to upload a video to your channel or to create a live stream. Learn more about uploading videos and starting live streams. Notifications. Clicking the notification button in the top right corner will show you a list of your notifications. You can also adjust your notification settings by clicking the icon. Learn more about managing your YouTube notifications. Profile picture. Click your profile picture in the top right corner to access your account info and settings. From this menu, you can also view your channel, time watched, view your paid memberships, switch between accounts, sign out, and more. Learn more about managing your account settings. Give feedback about this article.